Hi guys, Dan. This is a chart of VIX on December the 21st after the market close, and we haven't looked at it at VIX. VIX is the fear in gauge or the volatility of S&P 500, and usually it tells you if there's a higher VIX, the volatility goes higher, and when it starts dropping. But take a look at it here. This volatility has been constantly dropping since November, and the reason is the market is moving higher because the volatility is dropping. People are buying less amount of puts on S&P to offset their risks, and the fear factor, which is this is complex thing with the way it is drive, is basically based on the S&P 500 puts, and as a result the wix has dropped to 21 low, which when it gets into the teens or 21, 19 or 20, if it goes to 15, that'll be the ideal condition in the teens, but not it's going to happen, we don't know. But as long as the VIX has been constantly dropping, we are going to see a higher market because the fear in the market has taken out, and that is a good news for a bullish market. It is a very good sentiment. Should we be doing anything with the VIX? Yes, we should be examining it here, but I can't bring everything in here when we try to go over this. Another way of looking at the VIX is this chart, and you can see also the VIX is sitting at 21.50, which is a very low, which is very low for the VIX, and it stays below 20. That will be the ideal conditions to go into and trade. Let's take a look at some of the leading stock indexes. Then we get into the trades. Hold on a second. Why it isn't coming up here? Let's go S&P $SPX, and do we have it? Yes, the market went up yesterday and today it did not lose gains, but this morning when it opened up lower, and everything went down here. But then the buyers came and pulled back here. That's why you see a candle with a long body and a small head, and that is good because people were taking profits out of this move in the morning. Usually when the market is lower in the morning after a big day, that is a good sign. And so they took all the profit as much as profit taking was taking place, and the buyers came in and the thing went up here. Looking on NASDAQ, and we are not so convinced about that. NDX was down. NDX is lagging behind. And one of the things is that when the NDX is that's below its 50-day and 200-day moving average, it went down here but didn't close very well because the Oracle had very poor earnings and results that came out here on the Oracle, and that took down NDX considerably here today. Some of the things that are happening here is, let's look at Dow Jones, DJI, and that also stayed there at it's not giving up any of these gains. So these leading things, these indicators are there. The VIX is low, the S&P is moving up, but let's take on the one thing here, which is volume. And the volume, let's see how it did. On SPY, the volume was 194 million shares, just a tad lower than yesterday, but this day it has not been able to break above this 200-day moving average. Remember, this is the biggest barrier for this market, to break above that 200-day moving average, and it has only closed 1, 2, and 3 days, 4 days since August, 5 days since, if you count, I think there would be more days, for 4 or 5 days just above that 200-day moving average. So it's imperative that the bulls take this out and get above that 200-day moving average. On some of the leading stocks, PCLN. And why are we in this stock here still? Because it did not go very well today. It went up yesterday, but it gave up some of its gain and then regained a little bit later in the afternoon. 498 on it is still looks like it's going to take out that 490 level here. It needs to take out that 490 so that it is in a bullish territory again. CMG, we have a new position on it, or it could be initiated tomorrow if CMG is just a little bit tad lower. That is working fine. It's extremely oversold, and it's part of the restaurant group, which is very strong these days, and it is also is sitting at 334. Another stock that we have is here, PZZA, that is Papa John's Pizza International. That is a great stock here. If you like pizza, they make great pizzas and their product is good, and this is a very bullish stock right now also to look at it. So that is all for today, and I'll get back to you.